Okay, I believe I am live now. Yeah, it says over here. Chats seem to be working. Right, I'll give it a minute and we can start. So, I can just do this. Alright, fine, let's begin. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing arrays, and we only have 2 questions left. That's minimum swaps 2 and array manipulation. So, and these are medium and hard, so chances are it's going to take the entire time, but let's hope I can finish it fast. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'm going to start with minimum swaps. Okay, minimum swaps 2. You're given an unordered array consisting of consecutive integers without any duplicates. Wait, I should be selecting it. You are allowed to swap any 2 elements. You need to find the minimum number of swaps required to sort the array in ascending order. Okay. So if I have this array 7, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, okay. So first it's swapped 0 and 3. So okay, it put 3 in its correct place. So this is 3. So now 2 is here, 7 is here. Why did it do that? Then you have 2, 1, 3, 7, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I guess it's putting it in. No, it's not. 4, 5 and 5, 6. Huh. Wait, this algorithm makes no sense, but I'll figure it out as I do. The first line contains an integer, the size of ARR. The second line contains n space separated integers ARR I. And the output is to return the minimum number of swaps to sort the given array. So you gave it 4, 3, 1, 2, and then it swapped a bunch of indices and it said 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then it returns 3 because it took 3 swaps. So, alright, we'll be given an integer array, and what we have to do is we have to count the number of times we have swapped. I believe it see, it only calls it once, so I know that I need to create like dictionaries or whatever, like in the last question. Constraints 1 less than 10 to the power. Okay, and the numbers are 1 through n. Okay, that's very helpful. So first let's check how we will count our swaps. So this is the wrong method. So you should have an int swap is equal to 0, and then a void. No, yes, no, yes, fine. So let's have this be swap count, and let's have a void swap. And we know we're doing integers, so let's just have it be int star a, int star b. No, but we have to do it in the indice. Okay, indice, I don't know. So I have to have it inside the function. Okay, seems like we're doing it the right way after all. So we'll have an int swap count equal to 0, and that is what we have to return, if I can spell it correctly. And now we have to start sorting it. So one way to do it would be, I would say, we can probably do like an insertion sort with a swap, I guess. So we start at 7, we put 7 in its correct place. which will be at the sixth indice. I'm going to say them both. So 7 goes into the last place, 6 comes here, something like that. So the way I would do it is, how would I do it? So I'll have to check if my integers are sorted or not. So I can probably do something like int I equal to 0, I less than ar.size, and I plus plus. Oh no, I plus plus. So what I want to do is, so how would I check if each of them are sorted? They would have to be in ascending order. So I can probably check my adjacent values. Should I? Or no, I can just say let's just do what I was planning on doing, and then I'll see what goes wrong and I'll solve that instead. That's a good way to code, right? So I want to see if I need an if statement. So I need an int to swap index is equal to I minus 1. So like if I have let's say 2, the indice in which I'm supposed to put 2 is over here, which is 1. So that's C++ for you. And I is my current okay, fine. I'll just write it down, later I'll make the optimization. Is it even indice or is it index? I'll just write index. Been using the wrong word this whole time. And what I want to do is int temp is equal to swap index current index is equal to it's to swap index is equal to current index. Somehow I always mess up the what do you call it, this swap method, and it makes absolutely no sense. Okay, let's run the code and see. I haven't incremented the swap count and I haven't printed the array, so it's gonna be a blast. First I want to print the array. Let's see if my algorithm is correct at all. Oh, I can do an if statement. I did need an if statement, so learn something new every day. If to swap index is equal to current index, not equal to, then swap, otherwise don't swap. So let's have swap count plus plus. Now when I run the code, it's obviously gonna be wrong, but let's see. Imagine if it works first try. It's become my catchphrase now. Yo, it worked for one case. Why am I so happy that one of the turned right? Okay, let's print the array. Let's see if I'm even doing that bit right. I normally like to use printf, making an exception today because I already wrote cout. It's the only reason. But I want I. So I had 2, 1, 3, 4 and I swapped it completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It was 1, 3, 2, 4. Okay, so it needed 1 swap, then 2 swap and 3 swap, and it did that. Here it started with 2 and it put 2 in the right place. Maybe I can be a very lazy person and say if let's have it be equal to 1. I'm so sorry guys, my keyboard is just acting up sometimes. I is equal to I minus 1. So if this is the case, what I want to do is I'm going to say sorted equal to false, and let's have a bool over here. Sorry, it's not equal to, it's less than. And then I'll have a while not sorted. The indentation is all over the place. Either I'm going to get stuck in an infinite loop or yeah, see? No, I cannot spell false apparently. Oh, it did not execute within the time limit. I got stuck in an infinite loop, basically. I can have sorted be true. There's no case where sorted was true. That's what was throwing it off. Yo, did it work? I'm obviously going to have a time problem, but like yo, in 15 minutes no less. This was a medium problem. Damn Rishi, you suck. Okay, you don't suck, but thank you for making it so easy for me. I'm very happy right now. Like damn, it actually did work first try. Alright, so next question. So starting with a one indexed array of zeros and a list of operations. For each operation, add a value to each of the array element between two given indices inclusive. What does that mean? I have no idea what that means. Add values of k between indices a and b inclusive. Okay, A, B, K. So it gave it 1, 5, 3. It said from 1 through 5, add 3. Then from 4 through 8. So these numbers, add 7. Alright, so 7 plus 3, 10, and the rest is 7. That's how that works. Oh no, long. Oh no. I'm gonna be returning a very large number. So wait, let's try to think in an optimal fashion first, and then let's see what we can't do. So first things first, we get the size of the array and the number of queries. So it's a vector of vectors. So I guess it'll be like, for each query I'll say query 0 is A, and then query 1 is B, query 2 is K, something like that. So 5, 3 and 1, 200. Okay. And it has to be 1 indexed. That makes it worse. And what's the size of n? No, I can't create an array of that size. Or can I? Int error. Wow, great. Thanks, keyboard. Just stopped working in the middle of my stream. Size n. That won't work, will it? Is equal to new int of size n. Return -1. Why does every programming language have like a very similar array declaration, but at the same time also not? Like, why? Why do you hate me? Thank you. Okay, I was able to compile at least. Wrong answer. That's completely beside the point. Let's do 10 to the power 7. How many zeros is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 to the power 10, but let's see if it works. What's the error? Bad alloc. Yeah, of course. Probably the virtual computers got like out of RAM in like 1 second. Okay, I can declare an array, but do I want to? I don't know if I want to. You're gonna try doing it without the array. Oh damn, let me check if I can print like what the size of the thing is. So let's have a I don't know, q in queries. Yeah, I'm using a for each loop today. I actually like using for each loops better than for loops, but the instance never shows up. So let's do an stdc out today as well, like for this one as well. Right now when I run this, I should have more problems. Yeah, okay, so I got the input right. That's good. So maybe I don't need to create a proper array at all. Maybe I can find the smallest a and the largest b. Smallest a is equal to 0. Haha, nice. Largest b is equal to queries 0 1. So now for every query we can say no. We need to have two if statements, right? So if smallest a is greater than the queries a, that means that it's not the smallest a. So smallest a is equal to q0, and same thing for largest b. So largest b is q1. Oh, I should have printed it out, damn. Yeah, I know. I promise to you I haven't been coding in Java. And I also promise to you that I am lying. Yeah, I'm only printing it once, so I don't think I need like a lot. Okay, so why is it 0? Oh. Yeah, now it should work. I'm gonna drink some coffee. So it should give me 1 and 4. It did not. Why? The largest b is less than. Simple mistake, but like gets to you. 5. Where did 5 come from? Oh, right, 1 5. This should be 1 8. No, 1 9. Fine. 1 9. This should also be 1 9, right? 1 9. Let's submit it. Find the. Why did I submit it? Oh my god. Okay, so I found the largest possible array. Yeah, let's just create the array and and the size of the array should be largest b minus smallest a. Can I do this? I think it throws like a compile error, right? I don't know, apparently it doesn't. Um, how do I flush it with zeros? Can I flush it with zeros? Oh, maybe I can create a vector. Std vector. अरे कैसा है भाई? नाइस. अरे बहुत ही बकवास है. How do you create a vector? New vector. C++ size. No, not resize. Goddamn. Okay, either you can do a pushback. Oh, that looks like exactly what I need. So I want the largest B and the smallest A. I've been having that joke run in my head for so long. And then, bro, what's up? I already solved the question like in 15 minutes, no less. Alright, we iterate through the queries again. So Q queries. And right, we say we have another for loop, and if int I is equal to, I'm not feeling well. Oh, no worries. You only missed the happiest moment of my life, and I will never forgive you. But otherwise, no worries. No, what I want to say, I++. I wonder if I want to have an I++. But I guess, I don't know, we'll figure that out later. And what I want to do is, for the value of I set it to, no, I add Q2. Maybe I don't need to iterate over the array I added. But I'm always happy for you. Oh, thank you so much. I'm not happy for you. Int. Let's just do it in this thing. So let's have max be equal to 0 since I'm initializing it as 0. And if ARRI is greater than max, then max is equal to ARRI. And I don't need to print this, just return max. Imagine if this works first try, like honestly. The other one worked first try. This one will it works twice. Why did it fail now? Why is my output 24? Okay, so it didn't work first try. That's fine. Alright, so how do we move forward from here? My output was 24, they wanted my output to be 31. That explanation isn't even... Oh. For every query, I iterated through all the queries, I know that. भाई एक दिन क्लास ले लियो मेरी अरेज की, ज़िंदगी में कभी मौका नहीं मिला पढ़ने का, कभी पढ़ने वाले डॉक्टर हुए कभी कोई और। ठीक है फाइन, ले लूँगा एक दिन क्लास, तुम लोग ज़रूर आना। लेकिन एक्चुअली यू नो व्हाट, 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स उसके बाद क्लास लूँगा। Okay, I know what's happening. I'm trying to figure out how to solve it now. I'm surprised I didn't get an array index out of bounds exception. Oh damn. I don't know if you want to take that name over here on stream. Might have to blur it out later. I don't know if this is it. Hey, maybe it is. At least can I get a different output? Jesus Christ. So I don't need the equal to. Let's put this outside in like a separate thing. तो जीसस क्राइस्ट मत बोल, तू बम बम बोले बोल. Bro, first of all, I'm a Hindu, okay? And this code is so frustrating. It makes me think of a god that I don't even follow. Oh, why? Oh shit, bum bum bole. I say I didn't put a new line. So either I'm not adding it properly. Is that possible? So if my if statement is fine, I can just put it here. Actually, I should undo. Did a lot of refactoring. Okay, so what I can do here is I'll print what my values for Q0 and Q1 are. So Q0 is Q0. Right, and /t Q1 is Q1 and std endl. Obviously this won't work, but like I have to try something. So I got my 26351859. 26351859. So what's the problem? I like this music. Sounds 268 357. Yeah, it's the same code. You know what, your expected output is most likely wrong. I'm gonna do it in Paint. Ignore this. Oh my god. Just be white. Can't say that outside of Paint. Alright, the problem we're trying to solve. Let me write the input first. So we need an array of 10 integers. Why is my select open? Word 10. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, good, thanks. Good for you. And now we have to do 4 queries. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fine. From 2 through 6 we add 8. So 1, 2, 3. Is it 1 index or 2 index? Art. Absolutely, bro. Graphic artist. Either or, I think the array should be fine. So let's have it start from 0. So 0, 1, 2. So I add 8. From 2 through 6, so 4 times. Then 3, 5, 7. So from index 3, I add 5. What is 5 plus 8? 13. This is 13. 13. Wait, no, it should be 2, right? Is it inclusive or exclusive? I'm gonna write the index as well. I'll write it in a different color. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means that this 8 was missing. So 3, 5, 7. Then 1 through 8. Oh no, we had 1. So this becomes 1, 1, 9, 14, 14, 14, 9, 1, 1. Never forget. Then 5, 9, 15. 5 through 9. I add 15. What is 14 plus 15? There's a 9. Then 2. 29. Both our answers are wrong. Either my maths is wrong. I'm going to use a calculator just in case. Don't depend on Google. It's the worst. 14. I say as I use a calculator wrong. Plus 15. Yeah, it's 29. So 5 through 9. This 29. 24. 16, 16, 15. Wait, so the answer is 29. Why are you expecting 31? I've made an addition mistake, haven't I? I believe 8 plus 7 is not 13. Oh, good, thanks. Your graphics tablet is pretty hard. Yeah, see? That's where the problem was. How did I get here anyways? Okay, let's pretend this is where I went wrong, and so my index should be 5, right? So I can say let's print which index I got this value from. Index is equal to 0. If I either get 4 or 5, oh lit hai. Absolutely. Sorry, bilkul. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. So this becomes -1. This becomes -1. It's gonna throw me a very bad looking error right now. Yep. So see, I don't like this part. I've solved the problem. I've done what they asked. I'm just goofing up somewhere. Wait, it's one index, right? So it'll be +1. Because I have been assuming that it is 0 indexed. It's not 0 indexed. Oh no, I'm gonna mess this one up as well. How did I mess this up? Okay, I'm gonna print every value in the array now. It's the only logical option left. And by logical, I mean not logical. Just get rid of everything. So you might be wondering why I copied it. It's because I'm bad at copying things. That's actually a very good trait in me. No, I got 154. Oh, that's the max index. So I got 1, 9, 16, 16, 24, 16, 16, 15. So the way I'm adding things is incorrect. But I'm doing it the way they asked. See, I start with everything set to 0. And then I say, so the smallest possible is 1. Largest is, I need the largest. Is this 10 by the way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is because I'm interacting with all 10 of these. What? I have made a mistake, haven't I? Just do it the worst way. There's a fallacy in programming. It's called the optimization something. It's like when you try to optimize your code before you actually do something where it will 0, 1, 9, 16, 16, 20. I'm getting 24, which seems like the correct option. Why is it expecting 31? Okay, let's do it again. It's the only way I can think now. Well, yeah, this seems optimal. Fine. First of all, it's one indexed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There is not 4. I promise. It's close. See. Alright, so we start with 2 through 6. So, and we make it 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We make all of these. Oh, I think I got it. I got it. I'm very smart. I'm either going to get an array out of bounds exception. Yeah, no. Oh, wow, all of them. I earned my 3rd star. I got everything wrong. How did I earn my 3rd star? Oh my god. You can tell me my output, man. Yeah, damn. Yeah, whatever. I know what my output is. Okay, so it's a 0 index now, and I say +1. Now when I submit the code, it's gonna fail again, obviously. I have somehow failed more test cases, I believe. Well, at least some of them are doing well. Yeah. Oh, in the time limits. Time limit. Wrong answer. Okay. But the wrong answer some places. Okay, so there's a time limit issue. Maybe I don't need all this optimization. I'm gonna roll it back if I can. I have to jiggle my keyboard so that it starts working again sometimes. And if I am doing all that, then I don't need all this. And I don't. Oh man. So if I don't have smallest a, I don't need to use smallest a. Now when I run the code, it's going to give me a headache. Well, I hope they're all... No, they're not. I'm still getting a time limit issue for iterating over the queries. Is it because I'm doing this? Imagine if this is the issue, I will be very sad. Come on. At least give me a wrong answer. Damn it, it's the time limit. Maybe there's an algorithm, like a formula I need to write. Alright, so how do we solve this? Test case 0. So we solved it using loops and did something wrong because some of them don't even reach the time complexity that we want. Yeah, I like the smaller one better. Let's do the smaller one. Just delete. So 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make them as big as and far away from each other as possible. So for your own benefit. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in 1 and 2 we add 100. So 100 and 100. Then in 2, 5 we add 100 again. So 200. 100 and 100. And another 100. Pretend that's 100. And then in 3 and 4 we add 200 again. So 200, 200. See again, how would I find this out though? I was gonna say dictionary, but doesn't sound right. Maybe I just need to iterate through the queries and I don't need to go over them like over and over. Something like if so I set the largest possible pool over here, that's just 1 through 5. I set it to 0. Then I say what do I say? Hey people in the chat, can you help? Don't Google it, but like still help. I'm surprised this works at all, honestly. भाई सो जा 15 मिनट नैप, तेरी आंखों में नींद है ब्रो। मेरी आंखों में हमेशा नींद रहती है, इट्स नॉट अ न्यू थिंग। नशीली आंखें जो देखी मेरी, नशीला ये दिल हो गया. This is taking quite a while actually. I don't know what to do. Is that Nashila enough for you? ये तो हवेली पे आओ वाली थी. Beautiful eyes. Oh, thank you. Fine, you know what, at this point, like, you guys are right, I'm gonna call it quits. I'm gonna say array manipulation. Let's try to see the solution but not see the solution as well. Like over here in acids, won't read a single line of code. Oh no, there's code. No, there's a better solution. Oh no, it's all code. Let's ignore it. Not able to grasp the logic behind solution. Okay, oh no, there's a lot of code. We are basically storing the increment in the starting position and one past the last index in the range for range. Okay, I don't know what that means, but okay. For ABK, we will increase plus k for all elements in index a comma b, but then the next elements will not be increased, so we are subtracting it, because with respect to the previous increment, all elements to the right of range will be lesser by minus k. First element 3 is greater than 0, greater than index element 1. Oh damn, segmented trees or binary index trees. Bro, अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो? सच में भाई, अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो? See, now my keyboard stops working. This is me right now. Not this guy, this. Das ist me. Alright, I'll try to explain my understanding of this. Each line of the input describes a sequence. You are asked to find the maximum value of the sum of these sequences. For example, if n is given as 5, the line 2, 4, 13 describes the sequence, okay? Then this. If those are the only lines, we get the result sequence from pointwise sum of 2 what? Now another way we can describe the sequence above are by the difference sequences. That is, at index I, we will keep the difference between the element at index I and the element at index I minus 1. So like next to each other. Another way we can describe the sequence above are by the difference sequences. That is, at index I, we will keep the difference between the element at index I and the element at index I minus 1. So like this minus this, right? So 0 minus 13. Oh no, it'll be 13 minus 0, and then this should be minus 13 then. We can get the original sequence by running a sum of the difference sequence. If we find the sum of this will be 13 11. Honestly, अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो? 11 minus 13. One important property is the difference sequence of the sum of the sequences is the sum of the different sequences. So what the solution does for every line is to sum the different sequences, which only requires up to 2 operations due to the nature of the sequences. Then to find the maximum, it takes the running total of the different sequence. That's well, the example I gave only has 2 lines. It works for any number of lines. See, maybe I don't understand what a different sequence is. So I am अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो in mode right now. So let's look up what a difference sequence is. See, it's a mathematical concept, so it's fine if I Google it. Okay, I kind of got it. So one second, let me just read through this and then I'll try to explain it. This, you are very talented, Tanuj sir. Don't serve me. I have solved 2 questions over the span of 1 hour 4 minutes and I haven't even solved the second one yet. Instead of looping every time, what we can do is we add the value at indexing A and subtract it from indexing B plus 1. And in the end, we add it like a prefix array from left to right. The hell is a prefix array now? This is a suffix array. तू क्या हंस रहा है क्या? What? So what happens is the value we add gets reflected from A to B, and as we subtract the same value from B plus 1, won't be reflected after indexing B. Damn, I don't understand this. Let's watch the YouTube video. Ow, damn. You guys deserve to hear this too. Yeah, whatever. So he solved it my way and now he's gonna solve it the wrong way. इधर ही झगड़ा चालू कर दिया. Hey, no, that's very sweet of you guys. कुछ नहीं रे, सिर्फ मैं प्रेजेंट हूँ बता रहा. Okay, did the thing. Sir, next lecture on JS. Absolutely not. No JavaScript in my stream, okay? I hate JavaScript more than I hate Java. How? What? Okay, so we added it left to right. Like 100. What? Yo! This is magic to me. But I think I got it. So I need a n+1, right? And this I'll find later. So instead of doing all this nonsense, I'll say here Q0 singleton pattern, please. Okay. Fine, I'll do singleton pattern on my next stream. I'll add a singleton pattern into my game engine on Thursday, so be sure to check me out for that. And subscribe. The number isn't going to reach 100 by itself. What? No, Q2 and sure, thank you. Yay. Q2. This is business. My business is my business, none of your business. Let's print the array. Let's see if I'm getting like the right one. Your business. Oh, right. Triple less than. Nah, I want to print I. So it's not going to run. I just want to test if my what? One, two, three, four, five, six. Well, something I did something wrong. What did I do wrong? Oh, it's a 1 index, right? So I do -1. Well, how do I get a segmentation fault? Alright, I wasn't able to. Fine, thank God. First time I'm so happy for getting a wrong answer over here. And then this dude said, just add these numbers. And that gives me what? So if I did 2 add is equal to 0. You know what? I'll create a different array. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. They ignored this one. Why did he ignore this? I suppose I can also do it then. No, if he can do it, I can do it. Result. So for all the integers, I say no. Wait, I need int I equal to 0 wala. Equal to 0. I less than. If this works, then I will have understood how everything works. So I do 2 add plus equal to I, and result I is equal to 2 add. Then I print result. So I'm running 3 for loops instead of just the 2. I thought it was going to sound worse. This makes no sense. Yeah, I have a whole bunch of people watching it right now, so yeah, if you find this fun, if you find me wanting to rip my hair out right now fun, share it with your friends and ask them to subscribe. God damn, need 6 more people. That's it. Where did this work? Whoa, a bot called. Is it because of this? It's gonna give me a sample. Congratulations, thank you. So I think I got it. I did not get it. But hey, at least the time complexity is fine. It's getting the wrong answer somehow. Why, let's unlock this. So this was my expected output. No, you know what? It's too big. It's too big. It's too much. Is there one where I don't have to download the test case? This is hemorrhaging hackers right now. मेरे को लगा था सबमिट में कांड होगा. You are absolutely right. How many test cases? Oh. Wow, look at that, look at that. No wonder it stopped working. Long int. Right. I'm a dumbass. It's a long array manipulation, right? Damn, it's not so easy breezy then, is it? Oh, what are you processing for so long? I wasted so many hackers on this. I should get like 100 hackers if this turns out right. Oh good, it's a hidden test case, thanks. Hey, do you want more longs? Long. Fun fact, this is a valid declaration, I believe. It's not a valid declaration. Well, for one, the result can no. Yes, it can be an unsigned int. Wait, do I need the second? Wait, yes, that's not the problem. Okay, I know if I submit it, it's not gonna work. But I'm going to move my loop in here. If to add is greater than max. Yeah, I could have typed it instead of copy pasting, but what can I say? No, really, what can I say? You should get a Deuter watch. They are cool. I don't know what a Deuter watch is. I'll check it out if this works. Sounds like it's not going to, but see, it's not going to. Why? What's your problem? I did what the guy said. You, Algods, why? What is this? Fine, I'll look up what a Deuter watch is. DEAUTHER watch. It boots people off of Wi-Fi. You can have a passcode, that's fine. Scan, select, attack, packet, monitor. Nice. Sounds very violent. I'm not going to get it, but thanks for the suggestion. Okay, I'm only doing something wrong. Wait, do I need the result then? I can just do this. Yeah, see, works fine. Maybe it's because I'm adding it to another array and doing some nonsense. No, apparently not. Fine, let's just do this. That test case input was so much that it paused my this thing for a while. It was what, 40,003 lakh. Just move up. Wrong one. Yeah, this is the one. My expected output is this. I'm gonna put it in the chat. Where's sign into chat? I am signed in. I put it in the chat for myself. Try max equal to long int. That's not the issue. I know that my max has to be greater than 0, so I can just set it to 0 and that's fine. So if I run it, I should get whatever that was. Whoa. Oh wow, I can't even test it then. See, the actual code is like only this. Oh, wow. And see, I'm not getting a time complexity issue because half the time my answers are correct. Hey, at least tell me what my answer is. Maybe there's something wrong with my algorithm. Fine, I can check my debug code, right? So I can do printf No, percent D max. Why did I run? I needed to submit. Apparently if you click run code and submit, it just crashes them both. See, I am half an hour over the time and I still haven't figured out what to do. Like why my answer is not correct. It's a bit bad, isn't it? So let's do equal to. Oh wow, this looks much worse. Oh, it's the same amount of worse. Sorry. See, it works for small numbers. It doesn't work for large numbers, I guess. What is test case 13? Yeah, see, it doesn't print these very large numbers. I guess I wanted to be long unsigned integer. And see, I can't make this an unsigned integer because I know that this has to be like signed. Can I have a long int? Long double. Yeah, I wish. See, it starts with green and it makes you think like it's going to be fine. Then it's just not. It hates you. Maybe I'm not adding it right. But damn, this is bad. Like, rate of, I submitted it too often. Please try again in less than a minute. How less than a minute? Fine. While we wait, how about I just show you off like the current state of my game. So this is what my game looks like. You guys should definitely subscribe to watch the progress. I haven't shared this anywhere except for my Discord, so if you want to see like frequent updates, you can check out my Discord. Right now there's a bunch of mantling and stuff, and look at that. Whoa, there's grind rails. Anybody play Ratchet and Clank? And look at that, there's wall run, there's like wall slide. I think I showed this in like one of my other videos, but I don't remember if I uploaded it. So, and there's the stuff. And then you can just wall run. And look at that. We are grinding up into the sky. So I'm only doing this to pass that 1 minute. So right now this is what the game looks like. If you like it, do I don't know, join the Discord. Give me some suggestions on how I should pursue this further. Now when I try to submit the code, yo! Why was the issue a data type? That was the issue for so long. I'm gonna cut out everything in the middle, and it's going to be like a 10-minute video when I upload the VOD. So fine, proceed. Next we're doing dictionaries and hash maps. And there's a ransom node toString. Fine. I'm going to pretend like since I was able to do medium so quickly that I'll do this all in one go. If I do this all on one go, I want like 100 rupees from all of you. All 94 of you. Fine. So I'll see you guys next time. You guys can check out my game and stuff as well. And yeah, check me out on Thursday at 4 o'clock. I'll be going over a singleton design pattern. I'll be implementing it in my game engine. So I'll basically have something called an object loader, and I only want one instance of it. And I'll always say object loader dot load whatever the file I want it to load is. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Thursday at 4. Bye. मेरे से मतलब 300 लेगा. Hey, don't disclose your stuff. Don't disclose that.